Today, there are 2.3 million commercial properties in North America. Apartment buildings, condo buildings, shopping malls, hotels. The majority of these buildings don't have good leak and flood solutions deployed in them. And the reason is that technology is often too expensive and too daunting to deploy. At Alert Labs, what we've done is we've solved the deployability challenge in commercial buildings. We've created hugely scalable and deployable solutions that require no pipe cutting, no Wi-Fi networks, and can operate even when there's no power in the buildings. For example, a 100-unit apartment building, 5 flood detectors in every unit to make sure that we protect all the high-risk areas. We've completed a rollout of that building in under 2 hours. From showing up on site to the property managers deploying all these flood detectors, that building after 2 hours was fully covered and fully protected. To find out more about how we can help you do that with your buildings, please come to alertlabs.com and contact us.